Now, a lot of people keep saying they don't want to make the rice water because they don't want to waste their rice. Guys, just make it on a day that you're actually cooking rice, because we're not using the rice grains itself, we just want the water, so everything's good. Now, with this first wash, you don't have to do this, but I like to keep the dirty water from this one. So I take a sieve and pour it into my saucepan. If you don't want to do that, you can just throw this particular water away. Now, when I'm doing this, I wash it 3 times and that gives me a full saucepan of rice water. And then I continue to wash my rice as normal. Be sure to rub the grains together, giving them a nice massage to get all the dirt out, because we'll be needing that for our hair. And if you don't usually wash your rice, stop it. Get some help.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired.
Fight.
And once you've finished that, you're going to put your water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Now, to avoid your rice water smelling as bad as it could, we're going to add some orange skin and some lemon skin and an essential oil of our choosing, because why not? So here I'm using 1 orange skin and 1 lemon skin. And the essential oil I've chosen to use is tea tree oil, because tea tree oil is my best friend. Once your water's finished boiling, turn the fire off and leave it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, you can keep your rice water in a mason jar or a container of your choice. This particular jar is my rice water jar, so it'll be going in there. Once your water's all stored away, minimum you must leave it to ferment for is 2 weeks, and the longest 2-3 months. And as usual, I've got too much, so I'm putting the rest in another container. So the first one I'm going to use is the one with the orange container, and that will be about 2 weeks old by then. By the time I get round to the bigger jar, we'll be into the months.